Come test drive the 2020 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, traction control, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, keyless entry, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come take a test drive today.